Hey y'all, welcome to Dining with Dietitians. Today we are going to be making a Philly cheesesteak foil pack meal. I'm so excited to walk you through this. Foil pack meals are customizable and super easy to prepare. So let's get cooking. So to make a foil pack meal, you're gonna need a protein, veggie, starch, and then flavor or fat, like your favorite seasoning, butter or oil, etc. So today, for our Philly cheesesteak foil pack meal, we're gonna be using ground beef and cheese for our protein, and then we have peppers, onions, and mushrooms for our veggie, and potatoes for our starch. And then whatever your favorite seasoning is, you can use it. This is one we're gonna use today. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and assemble our foil pack. So first I'm gonna put our veggies in here. Now, if you don't like mushrooms or don't like a certain vegetable, or maybe you have some picky eaters in the family, you can just omit whatever you don't like, right? So we got our peppers, our onions. I'm gonna put mushrooms in mine because I love mushrooms. Then I feel like it's a food you either love or hate. I'm gonna add our starch. Add about 1/4 of this ground beef here. And I'm gonna form this into a patty. This will all cook really nicely. All right, and then we're gonna put the cheese on top. Now for your sophisticated eaters, of course, you would use, genuine steak and provolone cheese, but I love pepper jack cheese, so that's my preference, and we're just gonna make it easy with the patty today. Now that I have this all assembled, we're going to fold up this foil pack. So you wanna make sure that everything is all tucked in here nice and tight so that when it cooks, nothing's gonna come out. One of the best things about foil packs too is you can cook it a variety of ways. You can cook it on the grill, you can cook it in the oven, you can even cook it over a campfire. All right. So we got that all ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven, and it'll be about 20-25 minutes, and then we'll show you when it's done. All right, let's take a look. These look and smell amazing, guys. We stuck the macros up here for one fully prepared foil pack. Now, again, these are perfect, customizable for you and your family and your goals. I hope you all enjoy and have an amazing Sunday.